Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gadget Lily. This is part 3 of my trip to Taiwan. I am back into the hustle and bustle of Taipei after the trip to Tainan, which is a much more slower pace city. In this video, I will show you more of the places I visited, some shopping, and of course, a lot more eating. I hope you enjoy this, and thank you for coming along. This is an unbelievable shop if you like ceramic and all the dishes and bowls and adorable collectibles. There's lots of stuff to look at, and they are all crammed into a tiny little store, but very well organized. I didn't buy anything because my luggage would be way too heavy if I try picking up this and that. So I just enjoy looking at everything. And to tell you the truth, it would be way too hard to make a decision. I love these neighborhood eateries. They have extensive menu items and everything is homemade and so fresh. And very reasonably priced too. Most hotels in Taiwan include complimentary breakfast buffet for their guests. This hotel even makes eggs the way you like it on request. Taiwan is also known for old shopping streets. It's fun to walk down these streets and explore and see all the merchandise that are laid out. The old shopping streets are very popular with tourists and locals alike. I really enjoy looking at all the old buildings and the architecture style. All the walking around and shopping makes me hungry, so I am back to having a little snack. This restaurant is known for this single serving small bowl of noodles that are made right at the open kitchen. Makes a perfect light lunch. But of course, I saw fried oysters on the menu, so I have to get that too because that's my favorite food of all time. I love shopping in Taipei. There's so many different stores and shopping centers to go to. It's just endless shopping. Of course, because of the limit of the luggage, I do a lot of window shopping. But it's just fun to look around and just take it all in and see what's out there. It's good exercise too, because all the walking, and then after all the walking, I can go and eat some more. See, I told you I come to Taiwan to eat and shop. These guys are adorable, and I should have picked up one for myself, but again, it would be super hard to select the one I wanted because they are all so cute. There are endless amount of restaurants representing different cuisines in Taipei, and I just had a craving for Japanese food, especially fried cutlets, and so I selected this restaurant. I just happened upon this weekend flower market, and it was close to my hotel. I can't believe the size of this amazing flower market that is open to the public. Just, I would say it's a mile long, and it's indoors, and you just keep walking and walking and walking till you get to the end that you never thought would be there. Amazing amount of plants and all kinds, trees, flowers, and also anything to do with gardening. The amount and varieties of flowers are unbelievable. The prices are so much less expensive than the prices in the US. Unfortunately, I, of course, could not bring anything back due to custom regulations. And I even bought some seeds but had to give them away because that also is not allowed into the US. I would love to have some of these succulents. And there are also ornaments for succulents. How adorable. The next day, I was back at the airport. It's always sad to end a trip, but of course, I look forward to going home and seeing my cats and family. And of course, I have to get something good to eat before I depart. Well, I am going to wrap up this 3-part series of my trip to Taiwan. And thank you for watching all 3. And if you did not see all 3, I hope you will go back to my channel and catch up on the videos. Thank you so much for coming along. And don't forget to give them all a like. I will see you in my next video. Bye.